Hi, Martin here from BikeVentures. Today we're going to look at the Cyrusher Kommoda 3. So here it is, the Cyrusher Kommoda 3, this one being in purple. Full suspension, all-terrain bike, which is really just an incredible all-rounder. It can kind of do anything really. Maybe not full-on downhill mountain biking, but really good on bumpy trails, really good on the roads, handles really well. It's got a rear hub motor, 250 watts, so it is road legal. But it's got 87 Newton meters of torque, really good range. I think really real world probably 50 miles. That's just from talking with customers. I know they claim a bit more than that, but let's be real. But that's a great amount of riding. It means you can ride 23, 24 miles and back to your house. That's pretty cool. Full suspension, as I said, comes with hydraulic brakes. Really lovely brakes, they're really nice to use. There's your power display in the middle there. Power up, power down. See it change the power there. Lovely. Comes with a bell, obviously. Lovely. Lights on and off. Gears on the right. Really comfortable gel saddle. Comes with the rear rack. Gears on the back. Lovely big fat tyres. Full suspension, as I said. And the front suspension is in fact adjustable. You can adjust the compression, and on the other side here the rebound. And yeah, if you do buy from us, one thing people ask is about the courier, because we deliver nationwide, free shipping. It's not the fastest, it's sort of 3-4 days, but you can book a slot that works for you. If they suggest, say, Wednesday, you could call them or contact them on the portal and change it to Thursday if that works best for you. We get asked that quite a lot. Also, the checkout is a secure checkout using 3D secure technology, so that is not something to worry about. We do 14-day returns if you're not happy but haven't had a return yet, so hopefully you'll also be very happy. It will be myself or one of the team that handle your order, and it is a very personal service we give. It's a very good old-fashioned customer service is what we pride ourselves on. So there it is, the Cyrusher Kommoda 3. Thanks very much for watching. Any questions, do jump on the chat or give us a call. We're very responsive. Usually it's myself that answers, and we look forward to hearing from you.